Welcome to this tutorial on setting up your online scheduling settings or your booking rules. If you have an Appointment Hero account, log in and follow along. To set up your online booking rules, scroll to Company on the left side of the menu and click it, and then click Booking Rules tab. That's the third tab, and you'll see several options. The first we're going to start with when should appointments start, and you're basically selecting the times that appointments will start for your clients. Typically, people choose every half hour, but you have several options here. So we're going to go with every half hour. And the next option is how far in the future may clients book appointments. You're basically going to decide how many weeks and months ahead of time clients can book appointments. And you have several options here. So the idea behind this is if you don't want people to book, let's say today is February the 17th, and you don't want people booking into December, you want them booking closer, this will basically do that. So like if it's 1 month, they will not be able to book no later than March. The next option you have is how much notice must clients give when scheduling or rescheduling, canceling or rescheduling an appointment online. You cannot allow clients to do that. You can allow them to do it 1 hour before their appointment, and so on and so forth. If you see here, you have many options available. So here I'm going to select 1 day before the appointment. Next, how far in advance must clients book appointments? And this is essentially saying how much notice do you require, or how much advance notice do you require for appointments to be scheduled online. As an example, if it is 8 a.m. and clients want to schedule a 9 o'clock appointment, if you have 1 hour, they're able to do that. But if you put 1 day before, that means if it's 8 a.m., they cannot schedule until 8 a.m. the next day, 24 hours, right? So we're going to leave this at 4 hours. And the next option is a really popular one, which is how do you prefer to optimize your schedule? And so it really depends on whether or not you like gaps in your schedule. And so if you don't like gaps in your schedule, you can choose minimize gaps and only show openings near other appointments. So for example, if this option is selected and you don't have any appointments scheduled for today, it'll show all of your available appointments. But if you have an 11 o'clock scheduled, then it's only going to show times around that 11 o'clock. So like it may show a 9 o'clock and a 1 o'clock, for example. However, if you want to give your clients flexibility to choose when they schedule appointments, this is going to show all of your openings throughout the day. So this really depends on your preference as a therapist. The next option is, do you want clients to request an appointment and then have you approve it? Or do you want to automatically accept them? So we're going to leave automatically accept on. And then the last one is, do you want to collect clients' addresses when they're scheduling online? This is mainly for mobile massage therapists right now. And the idea being that you can collect their email addresses and then you can also put in a number of miles you're willing to travel. And what this does, it's basically like a travel limit so that if somebody's outside of the travel limit, it'll let them know when they're scheduling online and it won't let them schedule so that you don't have to have that awkward call. Like if they do schedule and then you find out that you don't drive that far, then you have to cancel the appointment and so on and so forth. So this just avoids that whole awkward conversation. So these are your booking rules that are in Appointment Hero. And once you're done, just go ahead and click that save button and you'll get that success message.